Okay, we have reached number 8, which is called rhythm time. Rhythm time shows us a new rhythmic value. So far, we've only had whole notes and whole rests, which count for 4 beats apiece. And in number 8 here, we are going to look at half notes. So a half note is a circle that is empty in the middle, but it now has a vertical line coming off one side of it. So it may be coming off the right side. If it's coming off the right side, it's going up towards the top of the page. If the stem is going off the left side of the note, it's going down towards the bottom of the page. This doesn't make any difference to the length of the note. Whether the stem goes up or down is just trying to keep the stem within the staff, or not to let the stem infiltrate the staff above or below it. So on rhythm time, we're going to look at the directions here in the book, and it says, while writing, or write the counting and clap the rhythm before you play. So instead of writing, I'm going to speak through the rhythm for you, and I'm going to clap, and I'm going to show you how I clap these things, because a clap actually doesn't count for 2 beats. So you're really clapping and a quarter rest, which we haven't gotten to yet. So when you clap a half note, we're going to clap and hold, and then we count a whole note. It's 4 counts. We're going to clap, hold, hold, hold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and half notes are either 1, 2, or 3, 4. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to set the metronome to the slower speed, and we're going to clap along to the beat. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1. And I messed that up a little bit. I'm going to go back and do it again. I count 1, 2 for a half note. I count 3, 4 for the second half note. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can count either 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2 for the rests, or 3, 4 for the rest, or you can count rest, rest. Any way you do it, when you have a whole note or a whole half note rest, you want to keep your mind going. A rest is not a chance to turn off your brain. It's actually a preconceived amount of silence that the composer wanted in the exercise. So you want to have the silence for as long as it is notated. So the second part of number 8 is to play this note on the E that we've learned. That was our first note in the book. So we're going to play along again with the metronome and play the note E on this exercise. Did you notice that I didn't breathe in between every note? That's because we're doing something called tonguing. So on a clarinet, to use the same amount of air as you would take to play 6 counts long of a note, so a 6-count note, we're going to split that into 3 2-count notes by taking our tongue and just tapping the back of the reed to get it to stop vibrating for a second. And it sounds like this. So when the tongue comes back, then the note starts again. So I'm going to show you that one more time at the faster speed. And now we're going to focus on using that tongue. And it's not touching the end of the reed. Your tongue is coming up and hitting the underside of the reed. 1, 2, ready, go. And notice there that I am not taking a breath in between every note. and our tongue is separating the notes. All right, see you in the next one.